Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be solving a system of equations, but they are infinite expressions. We have 1 plus xy plus x squared y squared plus dot 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 equals 6, and then 1 plus x squared plus so on and so forth equals 2, and we're going to be solving for x and y values. So this is a homemade system, even though these kinds of systems are not hard to make. Actually, pretty much if you are familiar with the basics of math like me, then coming up with problems shouldn't be too hard, especially if you love writing problems. I actually love writing problems. I've been writing problems for a while, even for some books to be published. Hopefully it'll be published soon and you'll get a copy. Anyways, that's another topic. Let's dive into this. So what do we do with these kinds of things? And by the way, I have to tell you, x and y are both between 0 and 1. So they're like fractions, like 1/2, 1/3, whatever that is. But both of these series are supposed to converge. Otherwise, we can't find the answer. Okay? Under those assumptions, let's go ahead and solve for x and y. So what I notice about these equations is the second one actually gives me the value of x if I use the infinite geometric series formula. What is that formula? That formula is well known, and I think you should know that for sure. And it looks like this: 1 plus r squared dot dot dot, where r is between -1 and 1. Then this becomes 1 over 1 minus r. In other words, this converges to that value. And obviously, if r is equal to 1, you're going to run into huge problems. If r is -1, you're going to run into huger problems because you're going to get something like 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus dot dot dot. And this can be made pretty much anything. Like you can make it 1, you can make it -1. Some people say on average it is 0 or 1/2, whatever. Anyways, that's a different story, but our series are going to converge. Okay, so how do we plug this in then? Well, fairly simple. This is called the common ratio, by the way. So basically, if you divide two consecutive terms, their ratio is always x. Make sense? So let's go ahead and do this first. Take care of x, because if I know the value of x, I could probably plug it in and find y, or at least I can use it. So 1 over 1 minus x from here is 2. Great. And again, I'm expecting x to be where? Well, I was already told it's between 0 and 1. I just want to keep it positive, I like it that way. So from here, you can do a couple different things. Cross multiply, and then you're going to get 1 equals 2 minus 2x. Then you'll get 2x equals 1, and then you'll get x equals 1/2, which satisfies the criteria, so we're all good. Or some people are going to think about it this way. What is the reciprocal of which number is 2? The answer is 1/2. 1 minus what number is 1/2? The answer is 1/2. So you can also think of it that way. And this is actually helpful if you like solving mental math problems. Okay? Or mentally. Okay. So x is 1/2. Let's go ahead and take a look at the first equation, which is 1 plus xy plus x squared y squared dot 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 all the way to infinity, and this is equal to 6. By using the same idea, if x and y are both between 0 and 1, this product should also be between 0 and 1, right? Think about it like you have 1/3 and 1/4, multiply them, the answer is still less than 1, and of course positive. So we can write the same formula, 1 over, this time 1 minus xy. So the common ratio r is going to be xy in this case, because notice that xy is being multiplied by xy to get the third term, and it's going to continue that way. So this should equal 6, and I can go by the same argument, either the first or the second. Let's go the second. This is supposed to be 1 over 6, because the reciprocal of 6, and then xy should be 5 over 6. Make sense? Mental math. Xy is 5 over 6, but x is 1/2. So 1/2 times y is 5 over 6. Multiply both. Oops, I'm out of myself, and I'm doing the wrong thing. So multiply both sides by 2, and you're going to get y equals 5 over 3. And what is going on here? Actually, I should probably specify this, and I forgot. Y doesn't have to be between 0 and 1. And in this case, it isn't, and it's okay. Why? Why? Because the xy needs to be between 0 and 1, and it is. So we are good. All right, sorry, correction on that one. Y is 5/3, and x is equal to 1/2. Alrighty? And this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you next time in an hour with another video. Until then, be safe, take care, and bye-bye.